Limang mindset na kailangan mong matutunan para guminhawa ang iyong buhay. Ikaw ba gusto mong mas gumanda ang buhay mo this year? Itong mga mindset na ito hopefully makatulong sa'yo to help you towards achieving your goals for 2024. Alam mo, suggestion ko, i-take note mo ito, ilista mo, ilagay mo sa favorites mo, saka i-share mo na rin para mas makatulong pa sa mas maraming tao.
Hi, this is Migs, and let's turn your situation to life coaching lessons.
Number 1, grit and determination. Kailangan, alam mo, pinapractice mo yung grit sa buhay mo regardless of your age today. Kailangan hindi mawala yung iyong gigil, yung iyong perseverance. Number 2, optimism. Optimism isn't just about positive thinking. It's about looking at the good side and looking at the brighter side despite of having problems. Hindi sinasabi ng optimism na hindi ka magkakaroon ng problema.